In this short video, we'll demonstrate 3 key truths about Kerite cable. 1. It's consistently easier to use. 2. Its design and composition make it easy to strip. And 3. It makes splicing and termination faster and safe. So let's talk about bad cable stripping. Bad stripping can result in a number of bad situations that can ultimately lead to cable failure. But by using Kerite DR EPR cable, stripping can be quick, easy, and safe. So let's look at how Kerite compares to its competitors. With the outer jacket removed, you're ready to strip the Kerite insulation shield. You simply make a ring cut or score around the circumference of the cable, followed by an easy longitudinal cut. So far, it's an even race. But here's where the Kerite difference comes in. Because of Kerite insulation composition, it scores, cuts, and peels away easily. While competitors' cable requires more cuts, more time, and more use of a tool that can damage the cable insulation or tear the jacket. While a competitor's cable is still being scored, Kerite cable is already nearly stripped. With Kerite DR EPR, you're left with a cleanly stripped cable that's ready to be spliced and terminated. The bottom line is this: Kerite cable strips faster and cleaner than any other cable. And that means there's less expense as well as less risk of failure. And that's how Kerite outstrips the competition.